Previously on Adrian's Pokemon Emerald walkthrough. That's a bit of a long recap, isn't it? I don't think you can. I think it's better if I come here. Let me do that again. Previously on not Adrian's, my name is French. Previously on Adrian's Pokemon Emerald walkthrough. We went to fight Flannery, the fire-type gym leader, beat her, and our our Diavolo, who was a Marshtomp, became a Swampert, its final evolution, so that's great. I finally have my first final form Pokemon. There's a hot spring here. Oh, hey kid, you can reach the hot springs from here. Pokemon are getting rest, so too should their trainers. We draw as much hot water as we need, and yet the hot springs never run dry. Isn't it magical? These hot springs, apparently active volcanoes, veins of water under the ground, are heated by magma to well up as hot springs. Cool. Nice. They're claiming that these hot springs are good for calming nervous tension, relieving aching muscles, solving rheumatic problems, and attracting money. Everything I need, clearly. If people put Pokemon in hot springs, it might be seriously strange. Why it might be an electrical bath, or a bubble bath, or even a lava bath. How can you have a lava bath, lady? Dun 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 dun. Pokemon storage system. Deposit I've been needing cut in the foreseeable future, I don't know. Well, I could drop you because I'm not about to use fly. I don't even have fly, so $2 it is. Which PC should be accessed? None. I'm just gonna go back. Oh, you like hot springs, do you? That's surprising for one as young as you. Yeah, I like to go and see the old ladies. Being buried in this hot sun is so warm and heavenly. Yeah, ouch. A Pokemon nipped my backside. I have here an egg. I'd hope to hatch it by covering it in hot sun by the hot springs, but that doesn't seem to be enough. I've heard it would be best if it were to be kept together with Pokemon and carried about. You are a trainer, yes? And your Pokemon radiate vitality. Vitality? So what say you? Will you take this egg to hatch? Yes, I will. Good. So I can be a mother for the first time. I hope you'll walk plenty with this here egg. Yeah. Ads receive the egg. Let's see what's in here though. Because I need a new rod. What do you sell? Welcome to the herb shop. Can get weed here? We can. I'm gonna skip the weed. Try and clean myself up. You've come to look at herbal medicine in Lava Ridge. That's rather commendable. I like you. Take this. Too bad. The bag is full. That's good. That's why you should talk to anyone and everyone. Just because you shouldn't be a dick. Let's give... Well, let's give the... But... Yeah, it's gonna be fine. Let me talk again to this dude so I can get what he was gonna give me. Charcoal, I think it ups fire type moves. I bet. Yep, let me give that to Dio. Who's holding a cherry berry, but it's fine. And you also. Herbal medicine works impressively well, but your Pokemon will dislike you for it. It must be horribly bitter. I'm never giving them that. I would never eat something that's bitter, so. My wife's warming an egg in the hot spring. This is what she told me. She left 2 Pokemon with a dick and we discovered that egg. Ooh, breeding. Like Joe Exotic. I'm also a young one, but I mimic the styles and speech of the elderly folks of this town. What do you say, young one? Would you agree to it if I were to offer to teach the move Mimic? This move can be learned only once. Is that okay? So sure, let me see the Pokemon you wish me to teach. anyone could learn Mimic, but I don't want to waste that. Maybe later on I could use it. Hey, I'd like to get to Mobile, but if I went down these ledges, it'd be no easy matter to get back to Lava Ridge. Actually, it's very easy. There is a, I don't know how you call that thing, but you know, there is that thing. Jesus fuck, I don't know words. I got the goggles now, so I can go in the sand. Baltoy, I want one. But I don't know if it's gonna make the final team, but I do want one. But there's no way it's not gonna die from one attack from... Let's see, one ward again. Yep. Ooh, Diavolo's got 122 live as HP, that's not too bad. Oh, the Mirage Tower is here. Should check that out. Chapinch. How can I not kill you right now? Since Storm is raging. Actually, the one I wanted to see here, so... Match up. It's a ground type move. Won't you ground type? You don't want to fight or something, dude? Another one, but I'm still way too... I have to switch out then. Sandstorm is raging, isn't it? Nope. All of your attacks are way too powerful. I'm gonna have lucky. Oh my god, I need to go to Arena Trap. Of course, everything's gonna kill you from what I'm using Trapinch. What I'm gonna have to do is put Cos ODU Cos, I guess, is closer in level. I said the Tower of Sand, the Sand Tower they call a Mirage is clearly visible, but it looks so fragile. It could crumble away anytime. I want to go inside, but I can't get my courage up for it. I will. Another Baltoy. Well, actually, we got Chaos leading the line, so it shouldn't be that hard. By the way, again, is my hair growing? Does it look more lookable? Oof! Wow, I thought that was gonna be a crit. Well, it was a crit. Yeah, it's not gonna do too much. My speed fell though. Sandstorm rages. It's not gonna be a big issue. I've got a bit more energy today, don't I? Where are my Pokeballs? Here you go. Please work. Baltoy, I'm not gonna give you anything, unfortunately. Sorry, I'm just checking something about the last video that I did, so I'm not chatting with someone, just so you know. I'm focused. Oh, I remember this place. There's a bit of a little thing to do here. You have to, thankfully I've got this bike. Yes, that's it. Shit. You have to go fast on these, because whenever you walk on one, it's gonna crumble. Oh, I'm using an analog stick. I don't know if I can do that. I should be able to. And Pokemon are gonna stop me. Trapinch, Sandshrew, that I don't have. But again, I'm not really catching anything I'm not gonna use. No way I'm gonna have to use a Sandshrew, and I don't even remember the name of its evolution. I know it becomes a hedgehog. Century is a nice design. To look at it, you know what it is, and it's still very cute. Nice design. Trapinch. Yes, I need you, Trapinch, but... a critical hit. One good thing about the newer Pokemon games is if in a battle you capture a Pokemon, you still get some XP for it. That's very good because like that's why all the games were a bit harder, because you could fight a super tough Pokemon and when you're done you don't get anything. You gain the Pokemon but you don't gain anything. Your Pokemon that fought it doesn't gain something out of it. I already have that kind of obstacle to do, and you find the time to give me random battles. Great. Well, I'm gonna kill every other one now. Not bad. What are you gonna use? Rock Tomb? No, Sand Attack. Yeah. Okay. Yay. I remember when I was doing that when I was younger, I would save at every level, so I would not risk it. Because if you fall, then you have to do that thing all over again. It's a pain. It was a pain, but it was the pain in this game. To do this little, it's not a puzzle, like platforming, would you call that? This little piece of platforming was a bit annoying. That and trying to catch a Phoebus. I assure you there was no pleasure in that. And I am a man of pleasure. Okay, thankfully I've got my Mighty now, because I'm gonna need to break some rocks here. After that I think I should go to my dad in Petalburg and challenge him. I already have 4 gym badges. He should be next. He's gonna be tough. He's gonna be hella tough. It is super effective. This rock appears to be breakable. Let's try that. Is there something up there? Nope. Please no fight. Ooh, what are these 2 things? This rock appears to be breakable. We like to use Rock Smash. Lucky, use Rock Smash. Found the claw fossil. If this fossil is taken, the ground around will likely crumble away. Take the fossil? Yeah. Maybe I should have checked what the other one was, but I knew what the 2... One is, I think, Armadillo, the other one is Lilip. Both are cool, they have similar stats, but... yeah. Hi, Nicholas. Why couldn't it, like, just fall and just fall? Alright. We're just gonna fight a bit here, and we're gonna keep Cos as a main Pokemon. I heard there are fossils to be found in the desert. Where could they be? In your ass. I've been playing Pokémon more recently, and I started from Kanto, and Gen 1 is the worst. It's the worst, the absolute worst. Like, terrible starting Pokemon. Terrible Pokemon you can capture right from the start. Yes, Anoreed. What is Armadillo? Where are my Where did I get that name from? Is there another Pokemon named Armadillo? I know there's the animal. Well, I think I'm just mistaking for... Because I think Sandshrew is taken from an armadillo. That's why I'm confusing, right? If I recall right, Sandshrew is based on an armadillo. I'm pretty damn. No, it's not gonna connect. Great. Wow. Please don't kill me with that poison. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Yeah, people love the Gen 1 starters normally. I like ish the Gen 1 starters because my first Pokemon game was this Emerald, Gen 3 for my first one. Because I'm not old enough to have been able to play via that. That should do fine. They're okay-ish. Yes! You got a good Pokemon connaissance, knowledge. You got a very good knowledge of Pokemon. Because it is Ormaldo, yeah. I usually always got Ormaldo because Lilip is just the plant one. It's not doing anything special. Do I have to go all the way back to Devon to get them resurrected? Was that the term for the game? Take that bitch. That's not doing much. Blue Pikachu looking ass motherfucker. And you got to raise your defense. Alright. Double kick. I could use something to revive course because the Pokemon is gonna face here practical, so you could use them to actually level up. Do I have a revive? Stardust, Super Potion, Full Heal, Super Ripper, Revive, we do have one. Wait, what was I gonna do? I was gonna use that in DU. It's fine. It's fine. I know we use one. It's fine. I don't think I'm gonna use any for any gym battle because it's either win it all or die with me. So should be fine. The fact that I play Go and Gen 3 is my favorite. It's probably why I remember the name so well. Gen 3 is the best. I don't know if you started with Gen 3, but Gen 3 is the best. Like, it just is. Best designs, for example, this one is Sceptile or Grovyle? I think this is Grovyle. Right? Maybe I should not have nicknamed them after JoJo characters. Emerald is the best Pokemon game ever made. It's true that it's not it's lacking the quality of life stuff you get from newer games, but could have had a double battle here, right? I'll give you some of my sandwich. Okay. So now I'm beating up kids to take out their lunch. Great. Oh shit. At what level do you Grovyle? Yeah. At what level does my Grovyle learn Leaf Blade? I don't even remember. I think he does learn it right when he's evolving into Sceptile. Sceptile definitely is a cooler name than Grovyle. Can't argue with that. Sandstorm rages. We're both gonna get pelted. Or buffeted. You get buffeted by Sandstorm, you get pelted by the hail. Hi, Yan Shishang. It's a bit harder for me to say your whole name, isn't it? And I'm not gonna just say Yan. Please send a ground type Pokemon for your second Nuzleaf. I'm gonna switch because it's kind of pointless to fight it. Go Dio. I did get the TM for Overheat, but since Dio is not as strong, well, I could still give it to him. Look at you. Congratulations, Jeremy. Completed Kanto. So now it's time for the Elite Four. Good luck with that. It's not that I hate Kanto, but I find it hard to love. I really find it hard to love. 662 XP from Inner's Leaf. Wow. A 40 sandwich would be enough of a bribe. No, nothing is enough of a bribe. Oh, hi there, this is Anna. How are your Pokemon holding up? Mine just won a battle. My Makuhita was spectacular, I must say. I wish I could have shown you. See you again. Let's fight. How tough are you? We shall expose that secret. It's not a secret how tough I am. I'm trying to be the champion, ain't I? You should have ground type Pokemon. You're a ruin maniac. So yeah, you definitely do. I took the lunch and the lunch money. No, I don't know. I don't think he gave me the lunch because a little bitch thought he was going to be able to bribe me. Actually, I saw the meme, I got tagged in. I'm going to reply right after. Well, later on. Was that? Battled by the Sunstorm. So yeah, yesterday I think I didn't stream because I ate a bit late. When I eat late, I'm like, I'm heavy. I don't wanna do this. So yeah, Sandslash. That's the evolution of Sandshrew. Cool design too, but I'm not gonna use that afterwards. So. Today I started watching. Well, it was yesterday, but I started watching Tiger King all over again. Big television. And you know what? I think it was my sister who tagged me in a meme about Tiger King, and you had someone commenting on that. Of course, it was not a Mauritian meme or made in Mauritius or whatever related to Mauritius. And someone replied on there, shit, that's why my hits are not connecting. He's lowering my accuracy every turn. So I have to switch. And you could see in the chat, not the chat, the comment, somebody who was like, yes, that stupid documentary not properly portraying the danger of Joe Exotic, not once taking care of the tigers, and then it started with, you should upload the work that Big Cat Rescue is doing, and I was just like, oh my fucking god, it's all true. Like at times when I look at this documentary, I know it's true, but I'm like, it's so well done and so crazy that I think that at times I think that it can't be real. But after reading that comment, I was like, no, it's a real thing, and that bitch Carol is still out there fucking shit up. And she does have an army of fanatics. Jesus, she's the worst. Between her, the crazy murderous bitch, Doc Antle, who is another crazy motherfucker who built a cult around himself. It's just crazy. You know who I like from that thing? Mario. Yeah, Mario, I guess. The ex-drug dealer. That's the only one dude I find. Actually, I don't know about you, but I think Joe is pretty cute. Kidding. That murdered got me though. I think that, I don't know, I have more sympathy for Joe than for anyone else. Imagine we had exotic Aspertus. He did try his best. And when I saw that clip, that John Oliver thingy, then I remembered that actually John Oliver had a bit with him in there. I forgot completely that John Oliver did that one, because I'm a big fan of John Oliver. It was crazy stupid when I saw that, and I was like, it's true, I remember that. While Baltoy had its energy drain, it's gonna use Seabeam. That wasn't enough. And hopefully the rest of your life, I don't know, it's not gonna be enough to replenish my life completely. I'm gonna be honest, the person they're all bad. They're all bad, they're all so fucking bad. And You can clearly see that they don't care, any of them. They don't care. Doc Antle said it best. The animal activists, and I think that's very true, the animal activists want a piece of the cake. They want the lion's share. So they're not fighting for animals. They just want to get money from that too. That's all. So none of them care about these tigers. I shouldn't have come to a place like this for a picnic. So that last shot where you see Joe with a tiger saying these animals don't belong here, they belong in their native rainforest or wherever you found them in. It was like, that's so nice. But you know that this is one of the clips that they shot the earliest, like at the very start, and just see that nobody there cares for this. No, actually, I think that Carol is the worst. I think that the others care for the tigers, as in not just for the money part of it, but also I think Joe started liking these animals. And then when he started making money out of it, it went off the rails. And when he met Doc Antle, who's a fucking lunatic, he is fucking crazy. He's got a harem, he's got like 4 or 5 girlfriends, not a wife or whatever. And he like tricks these girls into fucking, he's grooming minors. That's what he's doing. That's a crime. So, yeah, when he met that dude, when Joe met that dude, I think that's when it went off the rails. He did say it. He said that Doc is a mentor for him. Well, that's the worst type of to start with, but I think Joe does love his animals. And then he went off the rails when the money and the cult of personality got in there. I'm one to talk about the cult of personality, ain't I? But yeah, I have most sympathy for Joe. And geez, that documentary was still so crazy. So crazy, but there's a lot of things that people overlook. For example, when Carol's husband, when they got married and he had that leash and wore that tiger stripe thingy. When I saw that, I was like, what the fuck? He's the biggest simp on earth. He's the biggest simp on earth. But that's true. I saw the memes afterwards on Twitter and I was like, everybody was like, this documentary was so crazy, but this was in there and nobody paid attention. Because it was not even like top 30 craziest things that you saw in that documentary. So fucking crazy. Carol is so fucking weird. You know she did it. She acts in a way like you know she just did it. I know, again, I'm speculating. My PP is finishing very fast, so I think I'm fighting Pokemons who have pressure. Pressure is an ability, it's not a move, it's an ability that makes your Pokemon use more PP, double the PP. That's it, big PP. And Carol is just a fucking, she did it. I'm like, she did it. That bitch did it. Before I didn't like watching docu-series on Netflix, and I never actually watched one. And now that I saw that, I'm like, are they all the same? Or are they all that crazy? I want to get into that genre now. I have to try it. If you know one that's good, let me know in the chat, like a good one that would get me hooked. Oh, that's crazy. Maybe that's what I'm using. I'm looking for as term. Something that's crazy. Because Tiger King was fucking crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Kinda sad for Joe, I don't know. Yeah, Carol is, yeah, I was saying that she's the worst. Fire, no, I never watched a Fire Festival one. I know what happened about the fire, like how it was one of the greatest scams of last decade, but I haven't been searching for any tough Pokemon, but for some reason I should like Pokénaps. It's pretty weird. Pedophile, I'm only like 10. And you are poisoned, so I'm gonna use a Pesha Berry. Thankfully I've got 3 of these. And that thing to... shit, I don't have any berry for my PP. I think I can use an Ether, yes, Ether, I guess. I should watch the fire one, you're right, I didn't watch that because I was like... I was just like, you know, this kind of world, like parties and stuff. I just can't be bothered to give a fuck about that. So I was like, I am 2% Italian. It's in the dick. don't call me the they don't call me the Creole worker for nothing, don't they? I love that meme from Jabuki when he's pretending that he's the Fire Festival and the Madeleine McCann. What happened with that? That is she like Carol? That lady? She fucking crazy too? Yes, my point about Carol. I'm getting lost. Fire one is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna watch that later then. And first, I'm gonna finish Tiger King again, and then I'm gonna watch something else. Okay? So I beat you already. Yeah. And you, about you? So the others, she's the worst. She pretends that she cares for these cats when she just is giving them, to be honest, that thing that she said, that she's just giving them a place to die happy. It's you can't return these cats to the wild because they have zero survival skill. Zero, like they're still killing machines, true, but they're closer to domesticated ones, so they can't do much against like nature, the real nature. They would have to learn where to go and get water, not get water, but where to go and what would be the drinking spots, where to go, because they are fed, they don't chase their food, so they would have to learn how to. Because animals do have tactics and strategy. Dude, Madame McCann, that girl who's appeared in police case was survived and she was the most searched person of the. Alright, I didn't hear about that. I clearly didn't hear about that. I'm gonna have to look that up then. But Carol is the worst because she gives zero. She won't go and play with his cats. She doesn't like have a link with them. She just has them in cages, and she said it herself. Her volunteers, they got like color coded T-shirts, right? But she said it herself. It's not until they've been here for like 5 years that she remembers who they are. She doesn't fucking care about you, like lady who's writing something on a Facebook meme. Fucking dumbass. It's like people defending companies like Amazon, like, oh my god, my business overloads, please. Let me suck your dick. People are fucking waste. These animals should be put in proper sanctuary. Yeah, in proper sanctuaries. Once we got in Africa, I'm curious to be That's yeah. I think that's the way to go. Like you put there somewhere that it's still not where there's an ecosystem actually. Somewhere that's so big that another ecosystem can be built. Not built, but can appear. You can't build an ecosystem. You can't force nature to do stuff like that. But yeah, you're right about that. A big sanctuary where there'll be. They'll have the illusion of being free. And there are a lot of programs or organizations doing that, rehabilitation for animals. I know that it's different for them compared to like a rhino, but we have to find a way because like at the store that anchor lady for that I don't know which news show at the store, but she was saying that there are more big cats in the US than there well tigers actually. There are more tigers in the US than there are in the world, in the rest of the world. Like for no fucking sense. People just buying them to have them at home. Why people are crazy? I've been saying it for so long, nobody's listening. My fucking god, could you just stop? Let me beat you so I can move on from this desert. I don't think we're gonna accomplish much today. We're just gonna level up. Cost a bit if you can fucking hit. That's what I hate when you go to the desert or like a snowy mountain, is that you have to get that hit too, plus the animation. It's fucking painful, man. Yeah, boy. I don't know why you're saying yeah, boy, but I got you, fam. I got you. Well, the other gym would be Norman, back in Petalburg, but it's a bit far, plus I'm clearly procrastinating. I'm grinding, I'm just grinding a bit so that the course is not too far behind. Camper Bow, Sandar Baltoy. By the way, Bo Burnham, you should all watch his stand-ups. He's one of the greatest comedic minds of all time. To me, Dave Chappelle is the greatest um, comedian ever. He is the best. There's no one as funny as him on earth. And I'm not gonna lie, I think that I'm the funniest creature in the universe, bar Dave Chappelle. I think of myself so highly because I know I'm pretty fucking funny. Everyone I've met I could make laugh. But Dave Chappelle is. You should watch if you've got Netflix. He's Mark Twain. He got the Mark Twain award. But pretty fucking funny, given that Mark Twain definitely used the N word. Why am I saying the N word? He said nigger. Definitely did that. So pretty funny that you give that type of prize to people. But yeah, but I was talking about Bo Burnham, right? You should watch Bo Burnham. Carol did it. There's no other way around that. But you know, you just think that she's alive and doing well somewhere in the US, and you're like, boils my blood. Baltoy. That's the Baltoy that got this pressure. Because I'm clearly seeing my PP's already in the red. So it's gonna be that bitch making me use more of my PP than I should. Finishing my PP. See, I've got 4. You should be free right after that. Let's see how much is remaining. We won't get to see how much is remaining, would we? Player defeated Camp Bow. I can't win on Spirit alone. No, you have to train too, Besh. Oh yeah. I think we've covered pretty much the whole desert. Oh hey, this Go-Go girl suits you, but I think it look better on me. Are you trying to rub me? Let's decide who will look better on with the battle. Wow, that's very ghetto. This shit looks good on you, but would do better. No, I think he's actually hooking up with me. Yeah, bruh. You look tight on me. You look mad tight on me, bruh. Oh no, actually no. That wasn't about having pressure. I'm just really spending that much PP. Odd. You're literally in the fucking sand. Why are you using sand attack? 37 minutes. Let's see what we can do within 20 minutes. Because No Man's Gym is not that straightforward to start with. So, let's see. Player defeated Camper Drew. I couldn't see what was happening on my side because of the Go-Go girls. Ads got 368 for winning. What we could do right now is just rest real quick. I don't have... Yes, I still have Ninkada with me. Oh, it's just Talo that I don't have with me, so I can fly. I'm gonna have that lady who just tries to abduct you. Oh dear, aren't you Pokemon exhausted? If you'd like to rest up here, that's a fine idea. You should... Oh shit, no, I meant to press yes. For once I should have mashed A, and I didn't. Fucking retard. No, we're not doing that again, because I don't need to. By the way guys, I put a new video today out. Well, a new video that I shot weeks ago. It's... I don't know. I felt like it wasn't funny because it was like jokes for me, from me, to me, for me. I felt like these were just jokes for other, you know. But do let me know if you like them. But I do feel like it was me making jokes to myself. But hey, it's confinement, and I have no clue what to do next. I was thinking like maybe talk about the loneliness of being confined, like even if you're surrounded with your family and stuff, it still feels lonely at some time. So I don't know if you got an idea of what I should do next. Maybe I should do a poll on my Instagram, but oh shit. Allah. Ooh, getting racist on chat. I was a terrible joke. I'm never gonna do it. I'm never gonna get a TikTok. Never. Thank you, le moi. It was just an odd video, but my thing was like to act as if I was a racist French dude who was like, what? People from Mauritius? No. We can't be that different. But well, actually we are. Meme review next. Maybe meme review, yeah. It won't be another battle. I can't wait to have a rematch with you. Yeah, but did you level up? Can I come and fight you? I need to go back to Petalburg. So, what is the shortest route to do that? Oh shit, I miss a place where I could have fought people and leveled up a bit more. The cycling road, but let's see if in 20 minutes we can rush to Petalburg and fight Dad. Let's go! Shit! That was something I wanted to do. If everything fails, TikTok is here for you. I won't need Ninkada at the moment. I actually just wanna drop inch. Yeah, but I have to drop another Pokemon to be able to do that. Oh shit. Okay, lady. If everything else fails, become a TikTok slut. Your cloud has grown by 1, ACDC grown by 2. Will you take your Pokemon back? ACDC, I guess I'm gonna take it back. I don't know why it's being like, they're not gaining a lot of levels. Adds to back ACDC from the daycare. Will you get back to... yes. Hi, it's you again, good to see you. If I level your cloud, we can raise 2 of your Pokemon. Yes, great. Could you please take on my Trapinch? Fine, we'll raise the Trapinch. Come back for it later. Now we're gonna switch. Storage system open. No, withdraw. Actually, yes, just withdraw because there is 1 slot. Which PC should be accessed? None. Actually, I didn't even need that much, you know. Wishman. I wish Pokemon would just level up with you in the wild too. Around 15 minutes. Let's see what we can do. Why are you here? Oh, it's you. You're the person who not only helped me in Petalburg Woods, but also got back my stolen package and then even graciously delivered to Slaypod. Informed us that the package arrived too. I thank you very, very much. Why, if I was a real cloud, I would show you gratitude and hail. You as a hero, okay? Please, not over my face and my lower back. For you, the most wonderful trainer, I'd be a good news. So now accompanied with a new kind of Pokeball. And then I'm pretending I can give you a repeat ball. Alright. Let's put away the repeat ball. Our new Pokeball will be available at the Pokemon Market in Westboro. Please do try it out. Thank you. Bye! Would you like to cut it? So I didn't fight these either. I don't have time. If I'm gonna try and beat Norman, I just have to rush. Like big time rush. Cringe. Let me run. Let me fly, let me do whatever. We're getting there, we're getting there. Jesus, could stuff stop jumping at me like this? Pushina. Why Pushina? Why do I have to make the sound? Also, I should switch you. Should check what foresight negates your foe's efforts to hide. Good, very good. Because I don't remember, but there's one Pokemon that's got the ability to. I'm pretty sure we won't make it in 15 minutes because I'm gonna fight everyone. Hey, how's it going, Champion Bound ads? The doors in this gym open when you beat our waiting trainers. Whoops, the doors in this room are already open, so don't attack me. The trainers of Petersburg Gym use all kinds of items. The door on the left leads to the speed room, the door on the right leads to the accuracy room. The room's name will be on the door, so choose carefully. Once you've chosen the door, well, hey, go for it. Thanks, my man. Let's go. Yeah, I won't make it in 15 minutes because I'm gonna try and fight everyone, and that's gonna be closer to 30 minutes. The ability to attack before the opened, just that alone puts me at a great advantage. Don't you agree? Well, sure. Cool Trainer Randall, send out Sweato. Let's see what we can do against you. The only good thing about them is that everybody's got one Pokemon and just one Pokemon. Yeah, you're not gonna do much against me. Yeah, you were definitely not gonna do much against me. You do good. You give good XP too. So. Confusion room, the sign says. So you're gonna try to confuse me. What item do you have? Lepa berry, I don't know what you did, but I'm gonna give you the thing that cures confusion. This is the confusion room. Let me see how bonded you are with your Pokemon. Is confusion related to the bond, friendship level with your Pokemon? Sounds a bit odd, doesn't it? Spenda. Mudshot should be fine. I won't use take down too much because your speed fell even. Are you gonna use Theta Dance? Diavolo became confused, but he had a berry. First playthrough I'm actually using berries, so you can tighten whatever you want, you're dead. Defeat a cool trainer Poker. I couldn't confuse your team enough. You share a strong bond together. We do. Me and my legit Pokemon. Strength room, the sign says. Do you want to go through? Yes. And should I give you another berry? Trade NPP, it'll say burn, it'll poisoning. Not really. An item maybe? Occasionally allows the first strike. Why not? Swampert is not the fastest Pokemon, so could work with that. Our gym leader told us to go all out and beat you, even if you happen to be the leader's kid. Wow, your dad told you to beat me up? My dad told you to beat me up, sorry. Cool Trainer Jelly would like to battle. Cool Trainer Jelly is now Zangoose. Go Diavolo. I forgot, is it the speed room? I think it's the strength room. Another mudshot in your face. All over your face and your lower back. And that was enough. A Swampert is a monster. I'm proud. Yeah, it's definitely yes. But we're not fighting just now. That's why. I want to fight everyone. The internet has to be catastrophic because YouTube is telling me that it's at a rate of 2.6 megabytes at the moment, which is not good. higher the defense, the more reckless attack can be. So what Pokemon has a lot of defense? Is that a Wilma? Wigglytuff! Girl, you can't get that in there, can you? Sorry. Ooh. Ooh. Nah, not enough. This is the controller I'm using. I was using this one before, but I don't know why it's not connecting to my laptop anymore. Sorry. One hit KO room. Jesus. Maybe I should take a potion, just in case he survives the first hit. I don't have any... Wait, where's that soda thingy? Yeah. I popped a soda and good to go. I'm not going to take it easy just because you're our leader's kid. I'll show you how hard it is for a Pokemon to take a critical hit. Sure thing. Cool Trainer Bug. So now Vigoroth. Mudshot. There we go. The speed fell. Good. Was that your critical hit? I just had to miss after saying that. It's fine. Defeated cool trainer. That's great that my dad is such a cool guy. Every trainer in his gym is a cool trainer. Yeah, I'm just opening the doors right now, but I'm gonna just go back so I can actually fight everything. Strength room, the sign says, yeah, I already went. That room is just that I have to backtrack a bit. Accuracy room means that all your moves are gonna hit, not that mine are gonna miss. Giggle, this is the accuracy room. It's pretty nasty when every attack lands without fail. That doesn't sound like a cool thing to say. Cool trainer Mary. Delcati. Oh, can you get the Delcati in Emerald? I think it's a version exclusive to either Ruby or Sapphire. He survived. Pretty good. Impressive. I can't wait to get Surf. What again? And I'm not even sure if we can beat my dad on the first try. As strong as Diavolo is, my dad is pretty strong. Defense room, yeah, I already went through that, but that's fine. Should go over there then. Recovery room. I guess you're gonna have a berry. It's not gonna be much, is it? Just when you think you're going to win, your opponent restores HP. Can you just imagine how awful that must feel? Yes, everybody who went against the ID4 knows. I'll show you exactly how awful it feels. Cool trainer George, so now slack off. I don't know if there's an advantage too. Oh, do you mean recovers HP through rest? I would think so. Yeah, you won't get time to... Well, you'll have plenty of time to rest now, to be fair. Couldn't restore HP enough. One hit KO room, yes. So this means that we went and beat everyone in his gym, but now I'm gonna have to backtrack a bit just so he can heal, because I have to make sure, right? Hello and welcome to the Pokemon Center. Yeah, please go ahead and do your job, lady. Nurses, they're keeping our world alive, aren't they? Did. We hope to see you again. You will. Just not like in 2 minutes. Do you want to go through, I guess? I already opened this door, could you just like let me through? Like, this is a bit pointless. In 5 minutes? No, I don't think so. We're gonna do one thing though. We're gonna try one thing rather. Because anyway, he's gonna be the one learning overheat, so might as well. Contain overheat, teach overheat to a Pokemon? Yes. Double kick, back, bulk up. Back, just 35. It's not enough. Let's go. So you did get 4 gym badges. Fine, as I promised, we will have a Pokemon battle. Ads, I'm so happy that I can have a real battle with my own child. But a battle is a battle. I will do everything in my power as a gym leader to win. Ads, you better give it your best shot. 2. Strong, powerful. That's a real father figure. Cool leader, no. Leader no man would like to battle. So now Spinda. Go Dio. Double kick. Ooh. That started out really nicely. Okay, and right after that we're gonna have Vigoroth. Yeah, stay in the fight. Wow, you're faster. Okay. But I'm still hitting hella hard. But it's gonna be an issue now. Shit, it's gonna be an issue now. I'm gonna have to sacrifice a Pokemon right now. I'll need a tribute. Oh, so close. Because Linun is definitely gonna be super fast. Lucky, I'm sorry, but... Need a no mancer now, Linun. At least I'm gonna intimidate it a bit so the attack will fall just a bit. But then I need to restore the life of Dio because I think he can still pull some moves. Yeah. But my Lucky's gonna die. Oh no! Oh no. Send attack, please connect. Yeah, that's gonna happen. I don't think double kick will do great. So great! I should have used double kick because you're definitely dying. Dio's special attack harshly fell. Hey, I'll take it. Now for the pièce de résistance. Slacking. Why aren't you following nobody on Instagram? Like your feed doesn't have anything. Well, why should I follow people? I'm the interesting one. That's it. I'm so full of myself. My feed is only only has stuff from me. Shit, that facade's gonna hit hard. Fine. The only advantage I get is that Slacking can only attack one turn, and then 1 out of 2 turns. Then his I forgot. I think it's Truant. Shit. Okay, we're gonna go out, all out then. Shit, won't be able to go all out. And I have to do something else. ACDC then. I don't remember what moves are on ACDC. We already went by the 1 hour mark. Ooh, there's a yawn. Should we try it? I hope he doesn't have moves that he can use while he's asleep. Well, I don't think Sleep Talk came way later, if I remember right. Level 23 ACDC, well, Slack Off is Vigor Off, rather. Should we try to have another Pokemon? No, because the XP is gonna be divided. I don't want that. Mudshot! Please fall asleep now. His speed fell. Slacking is loafing around and fell asleep. And we can finish him with a fucking takedown. First ever playthrough in which I beat Norman on the first try. Norman is so fucking hard, you don't imagine. But that's definitely because I have a 3 starters. Norman is so hard, you wouldn't imagine. I can't believe it, Ads. I lost it to Ads, but rules are rules. Here, take this. Ads got 3,100. Ads receive a balance badge from Dad. Here's balance. 1 hour and 2 minutes, close enough. With that badge, the defense of all your Pokemon will increase. Pokemon that know HM move Surf will be able to travel over water. This is my gift to you. Ads, I'm sure you can use it correctly. Obtain the TM42. Is it Facade? Ads put away the TM42. TM42 contains Facade. It doubles the power of moves if a Pokemon is poisoned, paralyzed, or burned. It might be able to turn a bad situation to an advantage. Great. As a gym leader, I can't express how upset I am, but as a father, it makes me both happy and a little sad. It's odd. Yeah, you're seeing your little boy grow up. Must be sad. Ah, there you are, Ads. Please, come with me. I have something I want you to have. No, man, you don't mind, do you? Let me borrow your Ads for a minute or two. Let's go. If you had to give me something, you could just have done it in front of my dad. Because now you're just looking weird. You take somebody's kid and to give him a gift in private. Ads, please excuse us for dragging you here this way, but our Wally has become very healthy since he went to that on Turf Town. We owe it all to you. When Wally left town, you helped him catch a Pokemon, right? I think that made Wally really happy. Actually, no, not just Wally, it made me, his father, happy too. Happy that he's gained such a great friend as you. This is not a bribe or anything, but I'd really like you to have this. I'm not gonna go easy on your kid, but thank you for giving me HM03, which is Surf. As with the waiver HM03, if your Pokemon can surf, you'll be able to go to all sorts of places. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna teach that right now to my Swampert, because I'm gonna forget. Definitely. Surf. But that was productive. I didn't think I'd get to... Oh, they're dead. I forgot. Should the move be deleted? Yeah, I'm gonna replace Water again, which is only 40. I can keep my shot for now, just in case I find something that's weak against ground, for example, an electric type. But let me rush to the Pokemon Center and try and heal while I'll do the closing thing. And thanks for having been with me. Today we accomplished quite a bit. I leveled up because, well, not quite a bit, just 1 gym badge, but the one against Norman is always very important. You just don't get it, how hard Norman is. Nobody ever gets how hard Norman is. But that's about it for me for today. Hopefully tomorrow I don't eat at fucking late. No, I'm not gonna read that. Also, you don't have the N word pause, if I recall right. And I'm not gonna get fooled again by these things. Sydney already got me. Testicles, right? Was that bad? But yeah, I think we did a bit today, but can always do more. So we'll see. We'll see each other tomorrow, I guess, if I'm not eating too late, if I'm not too heavy, if I'm not on my period or something. But thanks for having been with me, and yo.